MCD Mayor Shelley Oberoi is also at the site to take stock. Take a listen.
जैसे ही मुझे मालूम हुआ कि गाजीपुर लैंडफिल पर आग लग गई है तो मैं दिल्ली में नहीं थी और तमाम अधिकारियों से बातचीत हुई। डिप्टी मेयर आले मोहम्मद इकबाल जी यहाँ पर मौके पर जायजा लेने आए, साथ में यहाँ के विधायक कुलदीप कुमार जी जायजा लेने आए। अब पहले से स्थिति बेटर है, आप देख सकते हैं जो कल के विजुअल्स थे वो ज्यादा आग की लपटें दिखा रहे थे और तमाम जितने भी अधिकारी हैं मैं उनको धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी कि पूरी रात यहाँ पर मौके पर रुक कर और अभी तक भी आप देख सकते हैं तमाम अधिकारी यहाँ मौजूद हैं। सारे रिसोर्सेज फायर ब्रिगेड जो है सारी वो भी यहाँ आई हुई हैं और मैं फायर डिपार्टमेंट का भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी। अभी 10 से 12 जो है एक्सकवेटर्स लगे हुए हैं जो स्थिति को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं। साथ ही अलग अलग हमारे जितने जो डंपिंग पॉइंट्स हैं वहां से इनर्ट और सीएनडी वेस्ट भी मंगवाया जा रहा है ताकि स्थिति और कंट्रोल में आए। आप देख सकते हैं कल से जो है स्थिति कंट्रोल में है, डरने की बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं है। और आसपास की जनता की बात रही तो थोड़ा सा इनकन्वीनियंस हुआ है, हम मानते हैं, बट आश्वासन देते हैं कुछ 2-4 घंटे की बात और है, स्थिति पूरी तरह से काबू में आएगी। देखिए कल शाम मुझे मालूम हुआ कि
There you heard it, viewers. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, what is the current situation on ground so far? How much time is it going to take? What do we know on this?
Well, it's almost more than 15 hours since when the attempts are being made to douse the flame. Also, we would like to show you the current situation from the ground. You can see, how the fire tenders have been brought on this particular place at the Gazipur land site where, yesterday evening the fire was caught by this garbage area due to the gas, due to the heat that is taking place. And every summer we see such situation. As the summer approaches, the land site got heated up and these type of heat incident always happen in the summer time. And also we are showing you the visuals. In fact, the residents in the area have also complained of the breathing issue due to the smoke caused by the fire. The entire region is engulfed with the smoke. Also, one of the residents has also questioned on why the fire started was not controlled and also complained that everyone focuses on the election but none pay attention to daily issues of the pollution and cleanliness. So already, we know that pollution is the main issue in the national capital, and this situation what we are seeing at the Gazipur landfill site is one of the concerning picture that is coming because already the national capital is witnessing the bad quality, what we are seeing that the pollution is increasing in the national capital. And this situation, the pollution is, this is being increased, and also the politics have intensified over this issue. The Aam Aadmi Party is also saying that, the Bharatiya Janata Party has done nothing in 15 years for the national capital, and that's why it is taking time for them to improve the situation in the national capital. While BJP's Virendra Sachdeva has also visited this site, he said that, several dumping machines are not working. There are several fire tenders that are not working at this place. It is very tough for the vehicles to move this side, and also the promise that Arvind Kejriwal has made to clean the landfill site in the national capital. That promise was also not kept, and has done nothing for the public in these years. So continuously we are seeing that the statements are being made, and blame game is also going on regarding this. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.